Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a mobile browser that actually supports Chrome-style extensions. On Android, that usually means Kiwi, Yandex, or Edge. Once selected, make sure your device runs Android 8 or newer and update the browser. This avoids compatibility failures. Open the browser and go to its extension or add-on settings so you're ready to install. While you're setting this up, grant any requested permissions. These let extensions function correctly. Now you're set to find and add the extension you need. Once the browser is prepared, search for the extension by name and select the official or well-reviewed listing. Trust matters because mobile permissions can be broad. Tap Install and follow prompts. Grant only the permissions required for the feature you need. After installation, go into the extension settings to sign in, configure sync, or toggle features. This ensures it behaves like the desktop version. Make sure to enable the extension in the browser's toolbar or add-ons manager so it's active when you need it. To finish, test the extension on a page that exercises its core feature so you can confirm it works as expected. Try a quick task that shows visible change. If it doesn't load, restart the browser and clear cache, then re-enable the add-on. This fixes most transient issues. Make sure the extension and browser are up to date. If problems persist, reinstall the extension. If nothing helps, check permission settings and disable conflicting extensions. One common culprit that blocks behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.